Rovanco's flexible fitting cover with shrink tape. Tools you will need. In this video, the 90-degree fitting has already been welded in place. This process needs to be completed before insulating and sealing of the joint can be performed. After carrier pipe is welded, a test must be performed on the carrier pipe to assure it meets specifications. Making sure it is about half on the jacket and half is over the uninsulated space. Apply the supplied sleeve extender to one side of the joint. Secure in place using the supplied PVC tape as shown. Repeat this process on the other side in the same fashion. Install flexible fitting cover and tape the cover and both sleeves completely with the supplied PVC tape as shown. Cut a 1-inch square hole through the PVC tape and sleeve extender for foam pouring on each side of the joint. One hole is for pouring, the other serves as a vent. It is important the holes be close to the HDPE jacket, away from the flexible fitting cover. Cover fitting with paper or plastic film. Duct tape paper or plastic in place around holes. Mix foam per instructions included. Once both parts are combined and mixed, the liquid will start to cure, so move quickly to the pouring stage. Pour entire mixture into either of the holes you cut out. As foam starts to rise, apply a little pressure using some plastic sheeting to help distribute the foam mixture more evenly throughout the joint. Any excess foam that comes out of the holes can be discarded. Once the foam dries to the touch, remove paper and cut off any excess foam, including any tabs left from the holes you cut. In cooler environments, it can take longer for the foam to fully cure. Using 60 grit emery cloth, scuff 3 inches of the HDPE outward from the tape you installed. Make a reference mark on the HDPE jacket 1 to 2 inches outward from your taped area. This will give you a place to start wrapping the 2-inch shrink. Make another mark the same way on the other side of the HDPE jacket. This will be your stopping point for the shrink wrap. Start by heating the HDPE jacket where you will start wrapping the 2-inch shrink. Also, heat the starting end of the shrink wrap roll and press to secure in place. Wrap the 2-inch shrink wrap around the entire joint in overlapping layers, half of the width of the shrink wrap, as shown. Once you get to the center of the joint on the flexible cover, heat the ending edge and press with the gloved hand to adhere. Heat the starting end for the next piece of the 2-inch shrink wrap. and start on your other mark, opposite of where you started the first time. Wrap in the same fashion as the other side from the outside, moving towards the center of the joint. Trim any excess 2-inch shrink wrap, heat the end, and press firmly into place to secure. Heat the closure strip and place over the ending edge of the 2-inch shrink wrap. Press into place with a gloved hand. Using a small torch, heat the shrink wrap material down until completely tight. Be careful not to use excessive heat or it could cause overlaps to pull away and leave gaps.